Okay, so I'm going to start this video by saying hello. I have not seen you guys in a while. Well, I don't really see you anyway, but I haven't talked to you guys in a while. And yeah, I just decided let's start off a new hopeful streak of uploads by doing an unboxing. This is actually an unboxing of quite a few animals. They're actually not full grown yet, or even juveniles yet. I'm just gonna start by saying I got this from a person named Becky's Barn on Instagram. I am super excited right now. So basically, if you guys can see, there's things moving around. These are axolotls. So there are 50 eggs in here plus some. One is already out and it's swimming around, so I'm gonna let them float for a second in here. I'm super excited. I will keep you guys updated as they should all be hatched in the next couple of weeks or next week or so. If you guys liked the video, comment, rate, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week.